You don't need Instagram Reels or TikTok videos to grow your email list. There are ways to get subscribers without posting every single day. One simple strategy is to create evergreen content, something that keeps working long after you post it, and share it on platforms like Pinterest or Medium. A lot of beginners think they have to keep up with daily social media just to get sign-ups, but that isn't true. Evergreen content does the heavy lifting for you. For example, you can design a freebie, then write a short lifestyle post or pin that promotes it. ChatGPT can generate this content in seconds. Here is a quick prompt you could try. Write a 150-word blog post promoting my free PDF guide on topic. Include a call to action to download it via a link. You can pause here if you want to copy the prompt or adjust it to your niche. Once published, your post keeps working in the background, sending new people to your freebie and growing your list automatically. If you want to move even faster, the AI Faceless List Builder includes pre-written prompts, funnel templates, and traffic strategies that let you grow your email list without relying on Instagram or TikTok. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to grow your email list without social media, from content prompts to ready-made funnels. Check the link in the description to get started today.